Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Eileen. Thank you so much for joining me. I just thought I wanted to update you on my small kimchi business. It's progressing really well, and I have all of you to thank for your wonderful support. Without you, I wouldn't have come this far. So I've recently signed on with my fifth outlet, which is called Whole Mart, based in Damai, which is one of the most nicest suburbs in my hometown, because most of my viewers are from overseas. If you told me previously that all my products will be carried by all these supermarkets and grocers, I will not believe you, because they are the finest of them all, the most established, the most modern, and the ones that are carrying the most premier products in my hometown. So I'm really honored, especially to Merdeka Supermarket, who was the first to believe in my product and who gave me that invaluable platform to launch my product. And that's where I went from there onwards and kept focusing. To a lot of people, COVID is like the end of everything and they're very negative, but I think it's just a matter of perspective. If you look at it as a challenge and you reach deep within you to think outside of the box, you will be amazed by what you can do. I really think it's a blessing in disguise, because if not, I really doubt I would have the courage and the strength to do it. And now I regret that I didn't get to do it during my mom's lifetime. The most rewarding part of this journey is the fact that this is the smallest way that I can pay homage to my mom. The kimchi is under her namesake, which is Cha Sunja Gourmet Foods. She's always been a great cook. She always shared her food with her friends, and I'm the first one who has taken it commercially. It's been in her family for generations, therefore the tagline, over 100 years of heritage. When she came to Borneo and settled down in the 1960s. So I'm just taking it a step further. I just wanted to end this video with this saying, which I came up myself. Never underestimate the strength and tenacity of the human spirit, because it's exactly during the challenging times that it shines the brightest. So mom, this one's for you.